Gone are the times when family, friends, relatives, teachers, and all the people around you used to tell you that come work hard for your board exams because you have to get a good percentage to get a good college. Because the National Testing Agency has introduced a new and a very complicated method of getting into the college that is known as the Common University Entrance Test, or in the short form CUET. In the past, it was very important for a student to score a good percentage in class 12 and get into a good college through it. But in recent times, the Common University Entrance Test, the method introduced by the National Testing Agency, has become very complicated and is making the students feel very irritated and inferior to other students of the past times, because the National Testing Agency has failed as an institution, and this institutional failure is becoming a very big problem for students who are aspiring to become doctors, engineers, lawyers, politicians, and who are aspiring to go into other fields. Since the beginning of the year, we are coming across many news about the scams that are leading to the institutional failure of the National Testing Agency, which includes the JEE scam, UGC net scam, and NEET scam, which becomes a threat to the CUET students' admission and getting into the college they aspire and want to go into, because these scams are leading a stigma in the hearts of students that the institution has failed to fulfill the duty towards the students, and it is now becoming a flexible institution where the students' data is not protected and the paper leaks are consistent. Talking about the Common University Entrance Test, aka CUET specifically, so basically the Common University Entrance Test came into being in the year 2021, and since then it has been more complicated and more difficult for students to get into a desired college, because for the last 3 years before 2024, the test was being done in the CBT mode, that is computer based test, and students who were deprived of technology and were not able to cope with technology found it difficult to get into a college. So this year, the National Testing Agency introduced the OMR method, and this year it has been more difficult for students to apply registered for CUET, because first of all, when the CUET link was opened for registration, the website got crashed because over 20 lakh students applied for it. Secondly, the admit card download was very difficult for students because website crashed simultaneously at every time the website opened for a new thing. Thirdly, the exam centers were being given thousands of kilometers away from the hometowns of students. Like if someone lives in the South Delhi, she has to go to the North Delhi side, and if someone lives in the west of the Delhi, she has to go to the East Delhi, and etc. etc. There were many cases of robberies faced by parents of many students. Thus, the National Testing Agency didn't take any action about the center problems, and the CUET exams came to an end on the 29th of May 2024. After that, the NTA released a press release about telling how the exam was conducted very well and there was no problems faced by the students. After around a month and 10 days, on July 10, the NTA released a press release that if any student has any grievances in the provisional answer key, which was also very problematic, because in an answer key of the entrepreneurship paper there were 37 wrong answers and students complained for it, and after many grievances thousands of students applied for a retest that will be happening today, i.e. 19 July 2024. After this, we don't know when the result will come, how will the students will go to the college they desire, and will we be able to secure our future careers or not. So that is all for today's video. If you like it, share so that this message be spread and go to the National Testing Agency so that they take the action as fast as possible and our results come out soon. Thank you for watching my video. If we will meet in the next video, tab tak liye thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.